Hey, it's Mike with Skinner Screens. We're about to go into this customer's backyard over here, and we're gonna go grab a sliding patio door that's been damaged so we can rescreen it and make this customer happy. Follow along while we do that. Come on. Right through this door. Okay, this is our door in question. So apparently, take it back to our shop. Someone has kicked the screen out down here. So we'll go ahead and take this down right now. Let's see if I can lift it off.
Wait.
Lift it off.
Wait.
Was able to lift it right off. We'll carry it back to our shop, rescreen it, bring it back for this customer. If you have a sliding patio screen like this that's damaged or needs to be rescreened, or if you have a pet that's destroying your screen, if you like what we're doing, give us a like, pet screen, and feel free to subscribe.